Strange RV tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fix your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on the air.
Alright, you guys, this is a little side note here near Caesars. It's on their property. It's the Brahma Shrine, renowned throughout the Far East, the people of all faiths, place of prayer. And there's faces 4 directions, and look at all the neat leaves and flowers, and that's with cherry blossoms. Here's the elephants. Elephants with their trunks up is supposed to be good luck. Okay, everybody knows Gordon Ramsay. Well, right in front, there's Las Vegas Boulevard is right behind this building. It's Hell's Kitchen. Oh, I love the show. This was open in August 5th, 1966. But it wasn't called Caesars. It was called Circus Circus. Believe it or not, it was called Circus Circus. It was then changed later. But of course it's the Roman Empire theme. And they keep adding on more and more and more.
When Evel Knievel jumped the fountains and crashed, his ramp that he took off from would have been right over in this area, and he jumped the fountains across this way, and his landing ramp would have been over in this area where there's another building now at a higher level.
That was December 31st, 1967, and he got hurt so bad he was in coma for 29 days. But his son Robbie accomplished it in, I believe, 1989. So that's pretty cool. Here's their famous entrance. We're going in the side entrance. Here's their main registration. Okay, this is where I work. Okay, let me show you. This right here, I'd have everything from this wall down to Augustus Tower and all the floors, including the spa, including, I'd help with the chapels, you name it. In this gorgeous, and these marble pillars, they're not marble, they're paint, okay? I painted those all the time. And see, they keep on beating up the Venetian plaster. Fix that all the time. And I got to do all the offices behind registration too. Well, this place has 3,960 rooms now. And the gaming area is over 124,000 square feet. Really nice. You know, been here forever, nostalgic. Famous people hung out here. For sure. Wow. Ah, yeah. There you go. There's Beijing noodles. Wow. Good deal. See all these statues, fountains, marble. It's all beautiful. Augustus Tower at Octavius tower this way.
I like really big momentous things.
There's the Venus pool here is supposedly topless. European. Okay. Topless.
I hope they're not a peeing in the pool.
Yeah. This one here is the temple pool. So it's, you know, kids and everybody. And there's the sky, the blue sky. Here we got a candy shop. No, that's bath treats. Looks like candy, huh? That's bath soaps. Cool. Yeah. Socks and bottoms. That's cute. Yeah, matching. Matching. Yeah. There you go. There we go. Of course, Golden Knights. Everybody's got a store.
Okay, we're heading upstairs to the conference and convention area of Caesar's Palace. And then after that, I think we're gonna make our way over to the Coliseum shops.
Forum shop?
Forum shops, I'm sorry. Forum shops. Wow, there is a lot of space up here.
Quiet. Cool.
Wow. And they've got another level to go upstairs for the Emperor's and Palace Ballroom. You wish there was more noise.
Look.
Oh my gosh, a payphone.
A payphone. Oh
Look at that, 50 cents.
Oh my gosh. That's cool. A real payphone. That's so funny.
All right. The Forum shops here in Caesar's Palace are probably the premier shopping in all of Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Just make sure you bring extra credit cards with you when you go there, because it is a bit pricey. More than a bit.
Yeah. It's pretty.
Yeah.
There's Nobu. That's leather. A vinyl. With these private sitting areas. Neat. Ignite a fire. Yeah. Earl a sandwich. Walking ramen. No. Man. He's been craving ramen. That sucks. Right. Smoked barbecue. Costco. Oh well. Here's Bobby Flay's Burgers. That'd be good. Neat. Yeah. I'm sure it's supposed to be here. July of 2021, the Coliseum. That's cool. Right. There's a cocktail garden coming up here. Interesting. Yes. Oh, okay. They got their name, man. See up there on the ceiling? They have names in the sky. It's neat. The ceiling starts to come. Wow! It's beautiful. Valentino there, and there's the Palm Restaurant. It says welcome back. Look at all these. It's beautiful out here. St. Laurent. Burberry. Reed. Tom Ford. Fendi. Lingerie. What's her law? There you go. Tiffany's over there. Cartier, of course. Mountain of the Gods. Fountain of the Gods. Fountain of the Gods. Beautiful. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? Here's another Rolex store. Yeah, Dior, Pandora. Ooh, a makeup store. Oh my God. I can't look. Can't look. No, I can't.
All right, this area that we're walking up to is called the Atlantis Show. Right now it is closed due to COVID, but what looks like a bunch of statues comes to life. They're actually audio animatronics, and they put on a show about the fall of Atlantis. Have no idea what that has to do with Caesar's Palace, but it is a heck of a show. A lot of the characters of the show will rise up out of the columns or out of the top, so they're actually down inside. You can't see them right now, but this is where the show takes place.
Yeah, normally there's the sky above. Aww. I see the fishies. What do you mean? We got an aquarium. Oh, there's a big one. How cool. Neat. Oh, look, that's a shark. That's a tiger shark. Oh, cool. Louis Vuitton. Okay. Michael Kors. Backpacks, purses, shoes. Ah, different. Psycho Bunny. Okay. Whatever. This is neat. The light goes through it. Fine Art Museum. See, there's several. Wow. Cars. With the COVID-19 essentials. There's a store, a mask store.
Mask store.
Oh.
Mask.
Oh my goodness.
Some expensive realty to be selling masks.
Yeah. Wow. No. Oh, DiMaggio autograph ball. Ted Williams. Man. I guess we gotta go down. I can tell you this, though, that's pretty. The ceilings. It's beautiful. Wow. A real popular club here is Omni. There you go. That's pretty different. Huh. Wow. All the different levels. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
All right, folks, thanks for joining us on this little exploration that we did of Caesar's Palace. It's been a long time since we've been here, but it was fun to see the old place again. It still looks fantastic, still a lot of fun. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit the little bell up in the corner. Please share these videos. And Miss Janet, do you have anything you'd like to add?
My thumb's getting better, but it's not perfect yet.
She can only do a half a thumb up.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching.
Take it easy. Bye-bye.